Using the assignment Dropbox. For the majority of the assignments you'll submit to me this semester, you'll have to upload files to a Dropbox. So for our first assignment, we're going to do a practice upload to a Dropbox. What you would want to do is you want to download a document called Personal Goals, either as a Microsoft Word document or a rich text document. Those are the two best word processing programs to use. Microsoft Word or rich text can open up in lots of different word processors, but particularly in WordPad. If you use a different type of word processor like Google Docs or something on a Mac like Pages, you're going to have to convert the document into a Microsoft Word document in order to submit it to the Dropbox. So what I've done here is provide you with a Microsoft Word or a rich text document. And if you open them, they'll look the same. This is the rich text document. This is the Microsoft Word document. And so whichever one works best on your computer or whichever one you want to use, open up. And what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to fill in answers for these three questions. So what English skills would you most like to improve this semester? Provide examples. What is your primary goal while studying at St. Mike's? So are you here primarily to earn your high school diploma? Are you preparing for college? Are you here because you want to improve your English? I'm just curious to know that your reasoning for coming to St. Michael's. And then lastly, what are your academic or career goals after leaving St. Michael's? So just answer these three questions in full sentences. They're not being graded, but I'd like you to show me your writing and show me that you can write full sentences here. And once you're done answering these questions, you'll save the document, right? You probably want to give it a new name instead of just personal goals. So for example, you could save it as, I could save it as Mr. Harrigan Personal Goals. I'll put it on the desktop. And so presuming I've answered the questions and saved the document, what I'm then going to do is I'm going to go to the Personal Goals Dropbox, and you'll see the instructions for the assignment have been repeated. And I'm going to go down to Add a File, My Computer, Upload, and then I put it on the desktop. So here it is, Mr. Harrigan Personal Goals. And I'm going to go Open, Add, and then I'll go Submit. And then I'll receive a message here saying File Submission Successful. If I hit Done, I'll also notice that I've been sent an email that tells me that my submission has been successful. And I can see in the assignment page here under Personal Goals, one submission, one file. So I can tell that the assignment has been submitted. Now that's how you're going to submit the vast majority of your assignments throughout the whole semester, is you'll type up your assignments and then you'll upload them to a Dropbox. If you have any questions, please let me know.